Papa.
You want to say hi, Grandma?
Yeah.
I know, that's Jaden.
Dad.
Good job, bud.
Dad.
Yeah.
Dad.
Mm-hmm. Good job.
Mama,
Uh-huh. Yeah, he's making tracks. Watch out, so he could mess up his puzzle. Almost done.
I should be.
Zoe, where's your egg? Zoe, go get an egg. I know you'll get so mad. You'll get disappointed. Zoe, where's an egg? Go get an egg, Zoe. Yeah. Go get an egg. Good girl. Good job. Yeah. Thank you. More eggs. Thanks, Zoe. Jaden, you're almost done. Yay! Good job. Another puzzle?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.